Alright, so how to become a money maker? Di ba may mga tao tayo nakikita na parang may pabrika ng pera? So, ibig sabihin, we're seeing them na they can buy what they want, they can visit the places that they want to visit, they have their car, they have their uh, houses na gusto nila, may mga bakasyonan pa sila sa iba't ibang bahagi ng probinsya, di ba? So, pag gano'n ang senaryo, may isip natin, wow, mga money maker sila. Ibig sabihin, they can produce money ng gusto nilang amount. Kung ilan ang gusto nilang ma-produce, they can produce. So, paano nga ba nangyayari yan? Okay? So, before that, bati muna tayo. Positive Day Delivers. This is Dr. Gigi Sunga from I Can Change Project. Alright, so magandang umaga sa lahat ng delivers natin. It's November 3. Saturday, wala pa rin tayong pasok. We'll be visiting many places today. Magbablog tayo sa mga manukan, babuyan, mga hayop muna yung pupuntahan natin ngayon. Okay. So, and announcement natin, November 18 sa Hong Kong tayo. Okay, so sa lahat po, ito special announcement. Sa lahat ng mga attend po sa Hong Kong, please mag-message ulit kayo sa akin, pakita nyo yung receipt ng bayad nyo sa Western, sa Cebuana, kung saan po kayo nagbayad para ma-final ko yung list ko, okay? Kasi may ibang nagbayad, hindi naman po nag-send sa akin ng nag-send ng receipt. So, I need the control number, and baka mamaya kasi nagbayad kayo, na-send nyo lang po yung resibo. So, you have to, paki-send po ulit. Kung na-send yun, paki-send po ulit, pinapa-ice ko po sa aking assistant, okay? Alright, so, and I need sponsors, kung gusto nyo mapabilang sa aking mga sponsors like IMG, Franchise Philippines, and MJ7. So, by the way, lahat ng mga gusto magkaroon ng sideline, just message Ma'am Letty, 0917-553-0086. So, para po sa be the first dealer in your place ng MJ7, Turmeric, and Ginger. Okay. Alright, so how to become a money maker? Bayon, tuloy muna tayo. So, if you want to advertise your business and if you need personal career coach, diyan sa Hong Kong, meron pa po tayong time slot. So, message nyo lang po ako. Okay, so paano nga ba maging money maker? So, I listed here 3 things na pwede ka rin maging money maker. Okay, so kagaya kahapon, parang I just talk for 2 hours, I was paid 15,000. Okay, so 15,000 pesos. For me, it's a form of money maker. I made 15,000 yesterday for just 2 hours. So, paano nga ba maging money maker? And this November 20, or just this October, katatapos ng mag-bill ni YouTube. So, I'll be collecting money again. So, that's one way of how to become a money maker. Alright? So, hindi ko na po sasabihin sa inyo kung magkano, pero it's quite bigger than my monthly salary. Alright? So, paano nga ba nangyayari yon? There are 3 things. Number 1, do what is, yan. By the way, Tineb, salamat sa mga pinadala mo. Paubos na, no? Salamat sa mga marker. Galing pa sa US. Okay. So, do what is trending. Okay? Ano ba yung trend ngayon sa tao, di ba? Merong isang nagpa-quote sa atin. Ano ba yung mga ibebenta niya? Kasi may pwesto siya malapit sa school. Ano ba? School supplies ba? Pagkain ba? So, ano ba talaga yung ibebenta niya? Okay? So, sabi ko, yung trending ngayon or yung yun dapat ang benta mo. Kasi kung malapit ka sa school, ang in ngayon ay hindi na soft drinks. Okay? Hindi tea, hindi ano. Ang trending ngayon ay frap. Yan. So, ito yung mga hawak ng mga estudyante na kala mo mayaman sila. Nakabote yung frap, di ba? So, that's how much? 80 pesos, 60 pesos, di ba? That's a lot of money kung ipunin mo. Pero yan ang in ngayon, di ba? So, if you're going to have your business, so, think of something na yung, yung parang in, di ba? So, just like what, may pamangkin kahapon, I interviewed him. So, meron siya ngayong sideline from 500 to 2,000 pesos. Ang ginawa niya, door-to-door, express delivery. So, yun yung kinikita niya, up to 2,000 pesos a day, ha? Kasi naisip niya, uso ang online, di ba? So, lahat ngayon nag-online eh. They are buying sa online. So, lahat ng mga teenagers, makikita mo yung may estudyante, kala mo na may pambili sila. Pero totoo, namibili talaga sila, di ba? So, online shopping is in. So, kasi masarap nga yung feeling, ay, dineliver to ni Shopee, dineliver to ni from Lazada, di ba? In order ko sa Amazon, sa Alibaba, di ba? So, yun yung isa sa mga in ngayon, okay? So, another na in ngayon na pwede kang maging money maker is, you just create a YouTube channel, di ba? Remember Jamil, Roger Rocker, Kong TV, di ba? So, ang daming tao, and even mga artista nakita nyo, nag-ship na sila, halos lahat sila ngayon may YouTube channel na kasi it's so easy for them and they can earn a lot of money, di ba? So, one way to become a money maker is do what is the trend today. So, isipin mo, ano ba yung trend ngayon? Ano ba yung mga uso ngayon, di ba? Na, like, Uber, di ba? So, trending ngayon eh, di ba? So, sabihin mo lang, magta-taxi ako, I want Uber, di ba? Airbnb is trending yan. Kaya yan nagtatagumpay, di ba? Kasi ang daming tao nagta-travel, di ba? So, you just, kung ano yung in, isipin mo lang siya. Okay? So, in ngayon ng YouTube, so I have my YouTube channel. So, everybody goes to YouTube. Diba? So, everybody sit down and get their phone and mag-YouTube sila. Diba? So, ganon. Alright? Second, how to become a money maker is use your STP. What is STP? STP is, S is for your skills, T is for your talent, and your potential na sometimes hidden pa na hindi mo pa na-discover. Diba? So, you just use STP, skills, your talent and potential to become a money maker. Alright? So, I believe lahat tayo may mga skills tayo, di ba? May mga kaya tayong gawin. Alright? May mga talent, may mga talent ka, kaya mo magsayaw, kaya mo kumanta. Mga potential mo, kaya mong gawin yan, di mo alam, kaya mo palang magsulat, di ba? So, you just do this STP, then you will earn money. Alright? Just like what I'm doing. I'm using my skills in speaking. Nabanggit ko kanina, for 2 hours, 15,000, not bad, diba? Others are paying me 20,000 for 3 hours. Alright? So, for a month, if I have 4 seminars, I will be earning 60 to 70,000. Money maker, diba? I just use my skills. You have your talent, diba? Ang dami mong talent, why don't you use that? Kahit ikaw ay isang OFW, nandiyan sa ibang bansa, may talent ka, yung mga kakilala mo, nangangailangan ng talent mo, use your talent. Yung skill mo na kaya mong mag-fix ng computer, kaya mong mag-drawing, kaya mong gumawa ng ibang bagay na ikaw lang nakakagawa niyan sa inyong lugar, you do it and be paid. And you will become a money maker. Alright? And third, okay? How to become a money maker is, yan, mahaba, pero answer your neighbor's problem. So, in other words, be a problem solver. So, try to see ano yung problema sa paligid mo. Ano yung problema ng mga kapitbahay mo. And try to fix it. Try to offer solution. And then get paid. Okay? So, for example, meron isa ditong bagong tayong subdivision. This is somewhere sa Hermosa, in the middle, sa center actually ng Hermosa. So, bago yon. So, I was talking to one of the residents. Ang problema pala nila doon, yung water. So, malayo pa yung nagdi-deliver. So, sabi ko, if I'm going to create a business sa lugar na yon, water refilling station siguro. Because I'll be answering their problem. Their problem, paano sila magkakaroon ng inumin, di ba? So, pupunta ka ngayon to answer their problem. Okay? So, that's one of the strategies, how to become a money maker. Identify mo, ano bang problema ng nasa paligid ko? Anong problema ng itong katabi ko? Ito, school. Ano ba yung problema nito? Uniform, ID, I will provide solution, di ba? Ano yung problem? By the way, bago ako magtuloy, binanggit ko kanina Airbnb, pero sagutin ko ulit, yung Airbnb, napakaganda ng strategy nila nung una eh. Of course, una nilang purpose, kulang ang pan-rent nila ng apartment, di ba? So, 1,000 lang pera nila, parang 1,500 apartment, something like that. And second, nakita nila, puno na yung mga may conference doon sa malapit sa kanila, and wala na matuluyan, puno na lahat. So, what they did, they answered the problem. Wala kang matuluyan, they offered their airbed. Their space, di ba? And then the rest is history. Now they are worth $40 billion. Imagine that, di ba? So they just answer the problem of their community, okay? So ano yung problem na nakikita mo sa inyong community, okay? Yung mga pamilya ng OFW, if you want to help your family na OFW, maging money maker kayo. So ano yung pwede nating gawin sa community nyo? What services, what business yung pwede mong gawin, di ba? So, it's so easy to become a money maker. Ang mahirap lang, identify mo lang how to start. Paano mo sisimulan. Okay? So, ang dami natin mga pwedeng gawin sa paligid mo. Just sit down, reflect. So, alin dito sa tatlo yung pwede mong gawin? Okay, yung possible na pwede mong gawin. You choose among these three, then start doing it. Okay? And if you need coach for that, okay? So, Doc G, may naisip ko ako, hindi ko lang paano simulan. If you need personal coaching, I can visit you, okay? Or online coaching. So, kontakin mo lang ako 0939-525-4311. Okay? So, ang mahalaga po ay tayo ay, we become a money maker. And, speaking of money maker, I want to create a group na magiging money maker. Ang tawag ng group natin, MMM, Money Maker Group. Yan. So, may MMG. Okay? So, MMG, meron na tayong group. Yan, may pangalan na agad tayo. So, as of today, meron ng 19 na nagpapalista sa atin who are interested in my group. Okay, so, ayoko lang ng member na maraming doubts. Alright, so, doon sa mga interested na sumama sa aking group as an investor, ayoko po na maraming doubts. If you have more than 5 questions sa sarili mo ngayon, then I'm not forcing you. Okay? So, ganito gagawin natin. This November 15, okay? I cannot give you the full details because I'm still doing it, okay? I'm still finalizing things, okay? Well, of course, karapatan nyo naman magtanong, di ba? Pero mo yan hard-earned money. It's okay with me. Pero ngayon, November 15 or 16, yan ang deadline natin for the first batch. First batch po, those who can give 100,000 will be my official first. First, ano po kayo? Kayo po ang first group ko, first group ng MMG, Money Maker Group. Alright? So, yan yung ating MMG, ang pangalan natin. So, i-register natin yan in the long run. So, for the meantime, I need people that who are willing to travel with me. Pag sinabi po natin investment, may risk po yan, So, ito, I'm trying to explain. May risk na pwedeng mabuwasan. For the meantime, ang pera natin, di ba, dapat alam natin ang investment. Investment, hindi laging ganun ang pera natin. May time na bumababa ang pera natin, okay? So, that's one. Second, hindi fix ang kita natin. And yung kikitain nyo, for example, ininvest ko po siya sa Forex. Your money will be earning 2%. Of course, you cannot get the 2% because it's in my company. Alright? I'm telling that straightforward. Okay? You cannot get the 2%. Probably 30% or 40% I'll be getting that for the company because you're using my company. I'm using your money and you're using my company for that. And I'm doing the negotiations kung saan natin invest and everything. Alright? So, I got to be paid. So, ganyan po yung kumpanya. Kumikita po ang kumpanya para magtuloy-tuloy siya. Okay? So, I'm telling you straight that. So, yung kikitain ng pera mo, I'll be getting 30%. Alright? So, yun yung dalawang risk niyan. So, medyo may chance na mabawas ang pera mo. Kung kikita man ang pera mo, mababawas ng 30%, I'll be getting the 30% as payment in my company and as a start, have to start my company, may expenses, so something like that, okay? And you just cannot withdraw for a year, at least a year, okay? So, yan muna yung mga initial natin. So, if you want to be a member of MMG, yan, so MMG, may company na tayo, kung di ko pa nare-register yan, basta you just trust, kung may tiwala ka sa akin, you just go, message me, yung first 10 na makapagbigay po ng 100,000 pesos this November 16. November 16, yan. So, may date tayo lagay natin dito. November 16. Lahat po na makapagbigay ng first 100,000. Yan po ang kasama ng first group. Okay? Wala po muna kayong registration fee. Yung mga susunod dyan, meron na po kayong registration fee bago kayo maka-join sa aking company. Okay? So, as a start, nag-i-start pa lang po kasi ako, so wala muna kayong registration fees. First 10 na makapagbigay po sa akin ng 100,000, November 16. You will be the first member. Congratulations. Okay? So, by the way, pa-shoutout kay Ma'am Loveliness. Yan, sa Canada. Loveliness. Hello sa'yo. Like ka nanonood na YouTube channel. And pa-shoutout daw kay Ma'am Nesitas Rivera. Hello, ito si Ma'am gusto niya mag-join sa ating group. Okay? So, yan. Meron pa ba tayong announcement? Okay, so Franchise Philippines, thank you very much, Sir Denmark. If you want franchise business, 0939-3902-488. Ayan ang kaya number, 0939-3902-488. Alright, so, yan. Welcome to my group, to my company, MMG. Thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day, and let's go, let's go.